Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who was just released from Delhi's Tihar jail just last evening, is now in a temple. He's been accompanied by his wife and is offering prayers at Delhi's Hanuman Temple in Delhi. These are pictures coming in of the Delhi Chief Minister. Going straight across to my colleague Amit, who has more details. Amit, this was of course something that was communicated earlier also by the Aam Aadmi Party, that this is what the Chief Minister will be in fact doing. I think a visit to Rajghat also on the cards. Perhaps give us an idea about what the day is going to look like, given that he has walked out of jail and of course, to the delight really of the party workers of the Aam Aadmi Party, isn't it?
Right, Sneha, this is definitely a jubilant moment, moment of celebration for the Aam Aadmi Party Karyakartas and the Netas. But for Arvind Kejriwal as well, this is a regular bail, hence it does not mean that, there's scarcity of time. And this time around, instead of having multiple events in a single day, Arvind Kejriwal has chosen to first come to the Hanuman Mandir, the iconic Hanuman temple in Connaught Place of the national capital, which holds a different relevance on its own for Aam Aadmi Party and its politics. Back in 2013, you would remember when Aam Aadmi Party formed its first government in the national capital and Arvind Kejriwal was elected as the Chief Minister of Delhi. It used to be in the back lanes of this particular Hanuman Mandir. And today, as he steps out of Tihar jail, and the first day after stepping out of Tihar jail, you have the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal coming to Hanuman Mandir and going down in front of Lord Hanuman. And you have to also understand and decode this, that while it is a personal choice of an individual, but as a Neta, as a political leader, there's a optics as well, a political token as well that needs to be served here. Arvind Kejriwal had found the card to play out against BJP's Ram card. So the BJP had the Ram card in their political set-up narrative. Arvind Kejriwal played a Bajrang Bali card, and since 2020 elections, assembly elections of the Delhi, you have Arvind Kejriwal always mentioning that he's a big bhakt of Lord Hanuman and that he reads Hanuman Chalisa, and along with that he keeps on mentioning that he has gotten Ashirwad of Bajrang Bali, and that is why be it filing of a nomination or victory in Delhi or victory in Punjab, Arvind Kejriwal and his party members ensure that they are here at this particular temple to seek blessings of Lord Hanuman. Now, very importantly, I also remember those visuals, and I'm sure you would also remember and recall those visuals when Manish Sisodia stepped out of Tihar jail, when Sanjay Singh also stepped out of Tihar jail. All these netas had come here at the CP Hanuman temple to offer their prayers, to take the blessings of Lord Hanuman. And along with that, Sunita Kejriwal also had come here when the party was actually dealing with a big crisis because Arvind Kejriwal was arrested in the Delhi excise policy case in the middle of Lok Sabha elections. So possibly, he'll step out and also say as to how, due to blessings of Bajrang Bali, and due to the constitution of Baba Saheb Ambedkar, he has been able to step out of the Tihar jail. And we are given to understand that the moment when Arvind Kejriwal comes out of those steps, Sneha, these are the steps of the Hanuman temple. You will see that he'll step out, speak to the media, and what we are given to understand that after that, after taking those blessings in the days to come, he might go to Rajghat. But the primary focus at this point in time is going to be the Haryana temple. I believe the commotion is there. So the Chief Minister and Aam Aadmi Party convener could be seen in these visuals anytime from now. And Sunita Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia, Sanjay Singh, all these leaders are accompanying Arvind Kejriwal. And I believe that Arvind Kejriwal is stepping out of the Hanuman temple. You must have right there, Arvind Kejriwal with folded hands, and he'll be coming through this security protocol which has been put in place, the entire through the alley, and after that he is supposed to brief the media. So that's going to be quite interesting as to how he phrases and frames his arguments during this entire media interaction, because remember, this will be the first media interaction after Arvind Kejriwal stepped out of the Tihar jail. We are moving to that part of the temple where this interaction is supposed to happen. Does he attack PM Modi, HM Amit Shah, Is he going to speak about Haryana polls and India alliance? All that needs to be, it's going to be a wait and watch kind of situation. Because remember, he can't comment on the excise policy case. He can't comment on the specifics of his role. But certainly, we'll have to wait and watch as to what.
Absolutely. The Delhi Chief Minister in Delhi's Hanuman Temple right now, a day after getting relief from the Supreme Court of India and walking out of jail last evening.